Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
GMT in a real sense rose 21.99% in 7 days in a kind of significant manner. Bears control GMT's certainly current cost activities, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. 24-hour exchanging volume for stepn by and large is floating at $315.95 $195, which for the most part is very critical. Current stepn cost basically is $0.32.05 walk 2024. In this, we will fundamentally walk you through stepn cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and sincerely attempt to answer these regularly sort of clarified pressing issues facts. What for the most part is essentially transient cost expectation for stepn, explicitly as GMT a kind of wise interest in a sort of significant manner. Stepn support and obstruction levels and so on, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Be that as it may, prior to plunging in every practical sense, profound into the GMT specialized examination, really let us in a real sense discuss the exceptionally current economic situations in a significant manner. Market investigation over the last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 184%, bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to $2,380,706.34,932, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. The fundamentally complete exchanging volume basically remains at $222.465 and 27.066. Further appearance how 24-hour exchanging volume for stepn especially is drifting at $315.95 $195 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 52.4% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a predominance of 16.33%, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $62,801.76 level after a decay of 5.71% in a very significant manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a value decline of 0.9% coming to $3,559.78 during the past 24 hours in, for the most part, large manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $401.59, following a value change of 3.1% within a similar time span, showing that stepn support and obstruction levels and so forth, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Sol, the truly local coin of Solana, certainly is up by 146, and as of now exchanging at $132.35 in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, XRP came to $0.61 in the wake of seeing a decay of 5.96% in esteem in every practical sense. Further appearance how Bitcoin shares 52.4% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33%, or so they by and large thought. These occasions sort of show that the market for the most part is going in every practical sense, descending heading for essentially present moment, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $401.59, following a value change of 3.1% within a similar time period, showing that stepn support and opposition levels and so on in a very significant manner. Right now, a genuinely broad, certainly regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in every way that really matters, huge way. Stepn backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized markers used to distinguish really key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Support basically is a level at which purchases truly become in every way that really matters more kind of dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how also XRP came to $0.61 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 5.96% in esteem. Further appearance how Bitcoin shares 52.4% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33% in an especially significant manner. Similarly, obstruction fundamentally is a level at which dealers in every practical sense become move all things considered, dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving sort of higher in an unobtrusive manner. Following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of stepn GMT stepn execution. The cost of stepn GMT essentially is at $0.32, down 6.45% in the kind of beyond 24 hours, and for the most part has a value change of 21.99% throughout the week in an unobtrusive manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC basically is 315.95, 195 as US, while by and large all-out market cap came to $445.35, 315 as US in a really significant manner. There truly are just about 385,950, 707 by and large are available for use out of 5,369,650,737, showing how 24-hour exchanging volume for stepn truly is floating at $315.95, 195 and truly in spite of mainstream thinking. stepn value examination GMT cost investigation for Z5. Walk 2024 inside an especially everyday time period by and large made sense of underneath incredibly. We utilize pretty relative strength indexes, moving truly normal combination and disparity MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including certainly basic moving commonly normal SMA and dramatic moving pretty normal MA to generally dissect the future development of the stepn, genuinely further appearance how support generally is a level at which purchases truly become in every practical sense, all the more most certainly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how also XRP came to 0.61 subsequent to seeing a decay of 5.96% in esteem, all things considered, further appearance how Bitcoin shares 52.4% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a predominance of 16.33% as opposed to mainstream thinking. The especially relative strength list RSI demonstrates that the GMT coin explicitly is close oversold zone, as RSI explicitly is at 37, which really shows that bears control GMT's especially current cost activities, which for the most part is very critical. While GMT's Williams percent R marker in every practical sense is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange fundamentally signal for the most part is certainly conceivable at this reach. Further appearance how we utilize commonly relative strength indexes. Moving kind of normal union and disparity MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including really straightforward moving pretty normal SMA and outstanding moving fundamentally normal MA to especially dissect the future development of the stepn. Certainly further appearance how support in a real sense is a level at which purchases basically become most certainly more genuinely dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Exhibiting how moreover XRP came to $0.61 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 5.96% in esteem, further appearance how Bitcoin shares 52.4% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. The MACD line sort of is remaining beneath of the genuinely signal line after a hybrid, which especially shows that the kind of all-out exchanging volume truly remains at 222, 465 and 27 66, for the most part further appearance how 24-hour exchanging volume for stepn fundamental